Aspone with Dr. Wolfram Proksch today. Wolfram Proksch is a lawyer in Vienna and a very prominent lawyer, having dealt with quite some sensitive issues of fundamental rights and constitutional law in the past, with a rather outspoken opinion now about the existing and new law on obligatory vaccinations. As you might know, Austria is probably the earliest country, at least in Europe, having such an obligation in a law. And we spoke about the details of this law. And there are 2 points that I want to highlight here. The first one is we both had the impression that many of the new instruments in this law are rather unknown in the existing constitutional system in Austria. In particular, the fact that the minister is in charge to change significantly the situation if the pandemic requires so, and it's not the parliament. And secondly, the minister is supported by a commission that needs to do the monitoring, the permanent monitoring of the developments, both from a legal as well as from a medical perspective. Also, this is at least to our knowledge, completely unknown instrument so far in the Austrian legal system. And we spoke about those and about the perspective that that might have on the law and its constitutionality and its fate in front of the Austrian Constitutional Court. And the picture drawn by Proksch was clearly not positive when it comes to the future developments and the prognosis about whether or not this law will stay in force as it stands at the moment. If you're interested in matters of fundamental rights and constitutional law in the COVID-19 crisis from a practical and a theoretical perspective, this is certainly your edition.